Ever thought it's impossible to make money on YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers? Think again. I made $1,000 with less than 500 subscribers, and it wasn't through ads or the YouTube Partner Program.
But how?
In this video, I'm going to show you how I landed sponsorship deals with companies and how you can do it too, even with a small subscriber base. And the best part, these companies came to me. They saw the value in my content, and I didn't even need to ask. Stick around because I'll be sharing proofs, the exact emails I sent, the products I received, and how you can start making money through sponsorship deals today.
Let's go get it.
If it's your first time here, hit the subscribe button cause what you are about to see will blow your mind. Let's start with the first offer I received. A company reached out offering me $20 to promote their AI video tool. Now, I was skeptical at first. 1, because you never know if these offers are legit, and 2, I had promised my subscribers that I would only promote products I believe in. So, I sent them this reply. I appreciate the offer and am interested in exploring this collaboration. Given the scope of work involved for a 1 to 2 minute integrated video ad, I would like to discuss if there's any flexibility in the compensation, as $20 is a bit lower than my usual rate for such projects. Additionally, I'm keen on building a long-term partnership, and would love to explore if there's an option for 3 months of free access to the standard version of your products. This was important because I wanted to make sure the tool was something I could genuinely endorse. They came back offering 3 months of their standard plan, which was worth over $600. While they didn't raise the fee, the free access made it worth it for me, especially since I could use it to create more content for my channel. I created the video, and when I sent it over, their feedback was great. They said the video was perfect and exactly what they wanted. That's the best part. I stuck to my promise, delivered quality content, and got free access to their tool to use for my channel. And with that free access, I've been able to create even more content, which is a win-win for me and my audience. Next up, another company approached me with a much bigger offer. 50% recurring commissions on any sales generated through my channel. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the twist. I actually declined their offer at first.
What?
I responded with something like this. Before I commit, I'd like to test your product to make sure it's a good fit for my audience. And here's why I did that. It's super important to vet the products you promote. If it's not something your audience will benefit from, it's not worth promoting. They gave me a month of their premium plan, worth $70 for free. This allowed me to genuinely test the product before recommending it to my subscribers. Finally, the third company, which specializes in AI tools for content creation, reached out to me with an affiliate program. This one's still in negotiation, but I wanted to share the process with you. They asked me for a breakdown of my channel's audience demographics. This shows they're serious about making sure their product is a good fit for my audience. Right now, I'm considering an affiliate deal that could earn me up to $2,000 depending on how many people sign up through my referral link. This shows the value of aligning with products that your audience will find useful. It's not just about the money, it's about making sure what you promote really works for your viewers. Now, I didn't go out looking for these sponsorships, they found me. And that's because I focused on creating valuable, engaging content. When companies see the value you bring, they'll want to work with you. In fact, one company even said in their email that they've been captivated by my YouTube presence. So, instead of chasing sponsors, focus on building content that brands would love to align with. If your content adds value, the sponsors will come to you. When they do reach out, it's important to respond professionally. And don't hesitate to negotiate. When I asked for a free trial or more benefits, most companies were still willing to work with me. In one case, I got a $70 premium plan for free just by asking to test it first. Sponsorships are especially powerful for smaller channels because they allow you to start making money without needing 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. Brands want direct access to niche audiences. Even with under 500 subscribers, companies reached out to me because they knew my content spoke directly to their target market. And by negotiating smartly and staying true to your audience, you can build long-term relationships with these brands, turning one-time deals into ongoing collaborations. So there you have it. I made $1,000 on YouTube without ads or meeting the partner program requirements, and you can too. Check out this video on how to edit like a pro using CapCut. You'll learn exactly how I create my YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and drop a comment below. Let me know if you've landed any sponsorships or if you're ready to start reaching out. See you in my next video.